Hey, good morning. Don here from Super Blast. Okay, we're going to be doing the pool cage back there. We got our water line hooked to the side. We got 150 feet of hose out around the side of the house over there where the sidewalk ends. We're going to be doing all these pavers, cleaning them up real good. Then we're going to take the turbo nozzle when we're done cleaning it with the Mini Mondu and get the rest of these weeds out of the cracks. All right, always have a turbo nozzle when you're doing pavers with weeds. All right, we got downstream injection hooked up. This is 150 feet of hose off your reel. This is your downstream injector right here. I run a 2.3 orifice. This is your unloader. You hook the injector up, you hook your hose up, you run your line over. You can see it dipping down that tank way over there. We're in the SH sauce, and everything is programmed to go ahead and reel right back to the truck when we're done with the job. We're going to do the driveway first, of course, then we're going to get the pool cage done. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. All right, we're going to SH right here first. We have our drone following us around. I don't know where he is. Somewhere. I think he stalled out. He lost me. Just want to get the FH on the sidewalk here. Get everything treated, get this algae going, then you'll be ready to get after the Mini Mondu and the turbo nozzle. All right, as you can see, this is a big driveway. It's coming along. I don't know if you've seen the drone flying around or not, but it's been filming everything, so the tracking's working pretty good on it. It does want to stop every once in a while though, so now you can see how dirty the driveway is. See the line? Lighter on this side, darker on that side. Once the thing's all rinsed off and the weeds are gone, it's gonna look popping good, baby. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. We'll be back for the final review. Let's get after it. All right, we got the driveway all finished. Came out marvelous. Gutter in the road. Now, I cleaned this gutter right here earlier, and all those are trash. So he came out and asked if I can do the front of the house and add on to the ticket. Well, yes, I can. So let's go ahead and do that. Gonna get our SH out. Get all the way up there, hit these gutters, the windows, all that, all the way down the corner there. Then we'll head on back to the pool cage after we SH this driveway down. All right? All right, let's get after it. Well, that's how you do it. And see that piece of paint that came off of there? That's not how you do it. I'm hoping the homeowner has some of that Benjamin Moore paint left that he was telling me about. That wash jet tip just nicked that, banged it right off of there. Shame on Super Blast. I'm sure we'll work it out. Let's get after it. I got a pool cage to do next. All right, the first thing you want to do to do a pool cage is get everything okay. Alright, you can get the picture, right? We're back for the rinse. Okay, we're back. Now we're going to turbo nozzle this whole deck out. It's got some weeds. We don't want to do anything crazy with the surface cleaner back here because it's going to get stuff in the pool and stuff. Okay, and we also have screens that are getting ready to come out. They're old. So what I did was pull the injection out. We're just going to run fresh water, and we're going to use the soft wash tips, the soap tips, to rinse this off so we don't blow any screens out. All right? All right, let's get out. right, that's going to be a wrap. Look how nice the pavers look. The cage is all nice and clean. Everything is spotless over here. That awning over there has some green mold on it. We're going to get the pump up and spray that off, clean that up for the customer. This is a new customer, and they are very, very happy with the work. So this guy over here, that guy's roof over there is extremely dirty. So when he gets back, that's going to be another new customer for Super Blast. Because the guy's already been asking who can clean the roof. So he's definitely going to refer me to do the work. You do a good job, and the work comes to you automatically. All right, look how nice that came out. Beautiful. Looking good. I got some more stuff here. Looking good. Another job done by Super Blast Pressure Washing. What do we do here? What? That's right. We get after it. We'll see you tomorrow.